Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the 12 volt outlet or the cigarette lighter fuse is located for this 2006 Dodge Durango. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. So this fuse is located on the driver's side kick plate down here. So we are going to pull this panel off, just pull firmly backwards towards yourself and it snaps right off. So the fuse that we are looking for is a 20 amp fuse, and it is this fuse right here in the top corner. So it's a 20 amp fuse, and that fuse runs your cigarette lighter or 12 volt outlet, whatever you want to call it. I will have Amazon affiliate links in the description below where you can get new microblade fuses on Amazon, so you can look at those down in the description. But I hope this video is helpful to you. If it was, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.